All right, I just wanted to make a follow-up video. This is my first 30 days being monetized. I finally got verified with the Google AdSense verification system and everything. If I go to my Earn tab, you see, setup complete, green across the board. And this is just for other small content creators, pocket watchers, people who are just interested in, how small creators or large creators make money because it's no different from this. If you go and I guess I'm going to go customize. I got monetized on the 15th, I believe, January, and I'm just going to go to the 15th of, February. So 30 days, first being monetized on the platform, $123.27. That's amazing, for essentially doing what I like, what I see as a hobby. And I know you're not supposed to have projected income, but estimated if I were to continue my pace, not growing, I would have like an estimated projected revenue for the year of being like, 1,200 a year, something like that, just because I don't guarantee or foresee me making, the above average days of $8, right? Realistically, if I look at most days being monetized, on my low days, I get $1.50, average days anywhere from $3 to $4. I'll take that, right? And this is again doing what I like, and I don't really make that many videos, right? There are other content creators who upload daily, hourly. There's some shorts channels that make like 10 shorts a day. But if you go through this and just see how much you can expect to get paid. So for the past 7 days, which if you don't know, the first 30 days are pretty iffy. Things slowly get better over time, has been nearly $20. And my RPM for the channel is nearing around $6, specifically $6.28. And the crazy thing is, most of the videos that make a bulk of my money are, always going to be that one viral video. But a lot of it is like tutorials that I used to do like years ago, which blows my mind. And the reason why I want to be so transparent with making money with YouTube, if you don't know, I made a video. The last video I made talked about how there are two ways to make money online, no BS. And I was reacting to the video, and one of them was YouTube, which now we could see what's the realistic opportunity of YouTube. Now, if I were to go, right, and look at my overall content metrics, right, if I were to go back and see the lifetime of my channel, specifically the views, right, I wasn't doing much. The first like 2 years, I didn't really know what I was doing. But if you were to sort this by revenue, now you start to get a different picture, right? All of this is time wasted. The first like 2 years was time wasted. Now this was, honestly me being, I didn't know what I was uploading, right? I was just uploading here like once a month. I didn't really care. I didn't have a goal for the channel. I just wanted to make a video, right? Everyone was down, during pandemic and didn't know what to do. But then I started, taking it seriously. And if you see here near the end, I actually started, I ramped up content, right? And at the end of 2024, I started actually sitting down and watching vidIQ videos. I started taking things seriously, and I was able to get monetized in my, 1 year that I set for myself for taking it serious in 2024. But one of those things that you see are other videos like this, right? How to make money fast using YouTube. I'm here to tell you that's not realistic for most people. Most people, when you see stuff like this is like their 20th channel. They've been doing this for a long time. And as a beginner, I've seen so many other content creators telling you to start a YouTube channel, start talking, get out there, get paid. But just understand that like with this graph, this is a grind, right? A lot of it just nothing happens. Then at the end, it all happens at once kind of thing, right? It's a compounding effect. And as a creator that just got monetized, finally start making some money, I wanted to do a quick reaction to this fast short, do this to get monetized on YouTube fast in 2025 and just give you my side of.
Here's how to get monetized on YouTube as quickly as humanly possible. The first thing you need to do, only upload shorts to get your first 1,000 subscribers.
Now, before you start uploading on YouTube, you need to know what kind of content creator you are. Like, if you go the shorts route, understand shorts is an easy way to get subscribers and views. But understand that shorts algorithm is really weird. It goes in like a testing phase where you'll either have all the views in the world or you'll stop dead at like 0, 1,000 or 15,000. I think they're called like 15,000 K jail or something like that for the shorts system. But understand, if you are going to be making shorts, long form is not guaranteed, right? There are a lot of channels. I think YouTube just had to make all of the plaques smaller because there were so many shorts channels breaking the 100,000 subscriber mark. But understand that just because you have 100,000 shorts subscribers does not correlate to long form subscribers. So you could be as large as you want making shorts, but understand that when you start posting videos, you're relatively a zero subscriber channel in that case. But to get your first 1,000, I think you should do a mix of shorts and long form, and don't only go long form or only go shorts, because understand that different audiences require different things.
Want to do this because uploading long form content to get your first 1,000 fans is going to be really difficult, but with shorts, they've made it incredibly easy. Now, by the time you have 1,000 subscribers, one of two things is going to happen. Either one, you're going to know what shorts work, and now you can make long form content around that in order to get 4,000 watch hours, or you would have already gotten 10 million views, in which
Now, for the 10 million views, that's a really hard metric. I'm in the vidIQ server, the Discord server, and a lot of creators don't hit that 10 million views until they're already at like 15,000 subscribers, specifically for the shorts channel. So understand, you could work towards getting that 1,000 threshold, right, for subscribers, but then you're gonna have to pivot to your long form content.
in which case you're already monetized on YouTube. For more YouTube growth tips, please make sure you smash.
And I've seen so many videos like this where it just oversimplifies the entire A to Z process. There's no right answer for anybody. I made, my first $100 on YouTube. Take that with a grain of salt as a small content creator. I don't know how many of you guys are content creators. Let me know down in the comments below. Are there more analytics you want me to show? Should I show you the process of getting applied for AdSense? Because that was a headache along itself, right? Like just getting the verification letter in the mail takes a separate step out of you. But, let me know. Peace.